Hello and welcome to Amanda Van Fleet's introduction to Edublogs. As you can see, I am at the homepage of edublogs.org. This is their front page without being logged in or anything else. As you can see, there are 3 different versions, and the version I'm going to discuss today is the free version. Now to sign up, all you have to do is click on the green. And here we are, username and password. So all you really need. You don't need an email address, but I highly advise it. It's very useful. You can get emails when people respond to your blogs and if there's any problems that arise with it, because this site is very well monitored. Believe me, when I first signed up for an Edublog, they actually accidentally marked mine for spam and sent me an email. Well, because I got that email, I was able to email them back, assure them that I wasn't a bot or, anything. I was actually a person, and then they gave me my blog back. Like I said, it is very well monitored. These people do pay attention to who's on it. They want to make it safe for kids and educators. But yes, and after you enter in all your details, you name your blog, and then you start blogging. Now, I already have an Edublog, so I'm going to go back to their homepage. Sorry, it's being a bit slow. Here we go. And then I'm going to log in. Now, here we go. And log in. My apologies again, it's usually not this slow. It's just my internet being strange. And there you go, it says welcome, A. Van Fleet. That's my name for Edublogs. And you can go directly to your dashboard, which I will go to now. Here we are. Now, this all looks a little bit daunting. And this is where you end up when you start blogging. Now, I'll admit, when I first got here, I was very intimidated. But it's okay. If you want to take it slow, which is what I wanted to do, you can just activate easy mode. Just click that, and here you are. This looks much better. Much, much better. You can make a new post. You can look at your posts. Make a new page, which is kind of like a post, more like a wiki page. Look at your pages, comments. You can manage your blog theme, how it looks, all sorts of stuff. And at any time you want to actually look at your blog as to how it appears to other people, you can just click Visit Site. It's always going to be up in this corner over here. Which I will click that right now. Here we go. This is my Edublog. As you can see, I have a poem up here. I used that as an example. It's a poem I made about my little brother's shoe a while ago. And as you can see along the sides, I have put different things. Like this is my theme. I'm concentrating on poetry in this particular blog. I can look at categories, like you can categorize each and every one of your blog posts. And I only have one, so I only have one category, and that's poetry. You can have different tags. For instance, I could categorize this under family, since it's about someone in my family. Archives, you can select months, and blog roll. These are essentially links. What you can do is you can go in and you can link all these different other blogs that you look at or you do. Like for instance, I put my blogger blog that I use quite frequently called Library Quirks on here, which people can click and they'll be taken directly there so they can see both of my blogs. Easy to find. Alright, and as you can see as a calendar, there's a lot of features on this, and you don't have to use them all. Just take it slow, go step by step, and just, take a look at things. Alright. So here's easy mode. Easy mode is very simple, very forward, And here, let me click Manage Themes here. As you can see, there's my theme right there. It's the one I chose, but there are plenty others. And all you have to do is just click on it, and it'll give you a preview. Like this is how my blog would look with this format. There you go. So you can preview them before you actually activate, and you click activate in order to actually get that there. Now you can also go into custom design, which what custom design will do is it will edit what is already there, or you can just start from scratch if you really want to be a little bit tech savvy. You could put archive blogs. See, now we have all the different widgets. What a widget is if in case you don't know, is it's something like the links where I was promoting my other blog, or RSS feeds, tag clouds. You see all these things. These are the different available things that you see on the side alongside the actual blogs that you can click on, and they do various things. You can choose which ones you want to put in and which ones you don't want to put in, and which bar, like sidebar 1. My blog only has one bar. This is what is available on that sidebar, and I can edit each and every one as desired. For instance, I can go into the text. This is my title. I can change that if I want. And this is where you edit all of that, if you so desire. And you can, of course, add, take away, do whatever you like. Let's see. And then there's your profile. With your profile, like any other profile, it's just what people see if they want to look you up personally instead of looking at your blog. And you can add all this information. Got my spiel here. You can change your password. So that is the easy mode of the free version of Edublogs. Lots of things you can do with blogging in the classroom, but that is a topic for another time. Once again, this is Edublogs. This is my blog. And also, I should introduce a little bit. What I want to do is, let's see, let me go back. Oh dear. Here we go. Now, I'm going to exit easy mode, which you can do by clicking that up there, and I want to go back to here. Now, like I said, this might look a little daunting for some people, but don't let it intimidate you. There's a lot more things you can do, a lot more details that you can get into if you want to really set up your blog and make it interesting. For instance, you can add different links, which I have a lot of links here, but the only one I have showing is Library Quirks, which is my other blog. I can show the other ones if I so desire, which I will get to. I just want to play around with it a little more. And another thing I'd like to point out is media. Now, I had an audio recording I wanted to attach so people could hear my poem as well as read it. And I do have it up. Still playing with the details a little bit, but what this means is that if you like to do podcasts, what you can do is you can blog a bit and then have a podcast attachment MP3 to your blog, which is very useful. You can also attach wikis. If you're on a collaborative project that involves a wiki, you can attach it to your blog so you can work on everything from right here, which is very nice. And of course, you have basic tools you can use and settings. Be careful though, because some of these are only for the more advanced, the ones you have to pay, the Pro and the Campus versions of Edublogs. But the free one has a lot of variety. You don't really need too much if you're just going to blog or if you're going to work on a blogging project. So don't worry about it. Relax, have fun, and enjoy your Edublogs.